To pair your phone for the first time, make sure that you have Bluetooth activated. Next, switch the ignition on and touch Tap to Connect Phone. The vehicle system is now discoverable. Go to the Bluetooth settings on your phone and search for New Devices. Select your vehicle's name. A passkey may be generated for certain phone models, and a confirmation message will appear on your phone and the vehicle's touchscreen. Check the passkey on the screen matches the one on your phone, then select OK on your phone and Yes on the touchscreen. If pairing is successful, your phone's name will be displayed. The vehicle now automatically connects to your phone. Next, select the phone shortcut to take you to the phone screen. Once your phone is paired and connected, a message may appear on the phone asking if you want to download the phone's contacts to the vehicle. Approve this request. After pairing, the system connects automatically to your phone whenever your phone is inside the vehicle and the ignition is switched on. To pair an additional phone or to change to another paired phone, touch Options. Touch Pair a new device or select from the list of paired phones.